Hey, my beauties, welcome back. Today I'm spilling the secrets on how to stay calm, collected, and chill while making him obsessed without even trying. These aren't loud moves or over-the-top gestures. It's the subtle, smooth, that confident energy that makes him keep thinking about you. I put real effort into this one, so you'll get soft, practical actions that feel natural. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to hold your cool while still driving him a little crazy in the sweetest way. Stay tuned because every single point matters. 1. Keep your composure, even when teased. When he teases you or makes a cheeky joke, don't immediately react or get flustered. Instead, give a soft smile or a playful smirk, and maybe a light comeback that's subtle but clever. For example, he says, "You're always late," and you respond with, "Yeah, but I make it worth the wait." That kind of calm, teasing energy is unexpectedly magnetic. He starts noticing that your reactions are different from everyone else's. Your calmness shows confidence without arrogance. It gives him space to notice your personality more than just your words. He begins replaying these moments later, analyzing how you stay unbothered yet fun. That balance between collected and playful is insanely attractive. 2. Use soft, slow movements. When you move, talk, or laugh, keep it measured and smooth. For example, sipping your drink slowly while talking or turning your head gently when he calls your name. Those little movements feel intentional without screaming for attention. He unconsciously focuses on these subtle actions. The calm, soft energy draws him in without needing words. He starts anticipating your gestures and timing. Even ordinary actions become memorable. It's that mix of composed and slightly teasing that makes him obsessed. Number 3. Respond, don't chase. When he texts or messages, don't reply instantly every time. Take a little pause, make your responses thoughtful, and include small hints of curiosity. For example, he says, "What are you doing?" And you reply, "Just finishing something, but tell me something exciting that happened to you." This approach shows that you're engaged, but not desperate. He feels that he needs to earn your attention. That tension keeps him coming back to your messages. You're calm, but your interest is clear in a soft, controlled way. And that's what keeps him thinking about you constantly. Number 4, stay unbothered in public. When you're together in a group or in public, don't try to steal the spotlight. Laugh quietly at his jokes, walk confidently, and don't over-explain yourself. For example, if he talks to someone else, you just smile and continue your vibe. He notices your calm energy without even realizing it. That balance between attention and independence makes him curious. He starts wanting to know more about your personality. Your composed aura makes him chase your energy, not just your presence. That's the subtle power of being calm. 5. Playfully tease without pressure. You can be playful without being loud or overwhelming. For example, when he makes a funny face, gently mimic it, or give a soft laugh while looking away. That teasing is casual, nonchalant, but it keeps him on his toes. It makes him want to engage with you more. Your calm, teasing energy feels effortless. He starts anticipating your reactions and looking for ways to make you laugh. That combination of calm confidence and soft playfulness is addictive. He doesn't even realize how much he's drawn to you. 6. Use eye contact wisely. Soft, intentional eye contact is key. Don't stare too hard, but occasionally hold his gaze, smile lightly, or glance away slowly. For example, when he says something funny, meet his eyes for a second longer than usual before laughing softly. This calm, confident energy signals interest without needing words. He starts noticing those small pauses and soft looks more than anything else you do. That tension and intrigue keeps him thinking about you after the interaction ends. Eye contact becomes your secret weapon for subtle obsession. Number 7. Laugh on your terms. Don't laugh at everything instantly. Let your laughter be soft, slightly delayed, and genuine. For example, when he cracks a joke, pause, give a small smile, and then laugh lightly. That unpredictability makes your reactions feel unique. He notices that your laughter is different from others. It feels earned, soft, and personal. That calm energy mixed with subtle engagement makes him want to hear you laugh more. He starts associating you with a warm, magnetic vibe, and that's what drives him crazy in the best way. Being calm doesn't mean being boring. It's the soft, collected energy paired with subtle playfulness and intention that makes him obsessed. You can be chill, gentle, and still absolutely unforgettable. If you love this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And comment below which of these soft yet spicy moves you already do or are excited to try. Let's see who's going to drive their crush crazy first.